Hello everyone, welcome to this new ride. We are heading towards a hidden place. So it's near Panvel. So there are so many hidden places you can explore in this monsoon. And you already know that. So in rainy season, the Maharashtra looks so beautiful. And there are so many hidden places, there are so many waterfalls you can explore, and this is the beauty of Maharashtra. I'm getting late, so I was supposed to reach at 8 o'clock. I had to meet Shailendra by 8 o'clock, but I'm running late. So it's a beautiful rainy day. As I was already talking about how beautiful it looks, Maharashtra in rainy season. So there are so many places if you explore in rainy seasons. There are multiple places which always will be overcrowded if you're considering going Lonavala, Mahabaleshwar or Matheran. So in rainy season these tourist places are overcrowded, and if you're going on weekends, so you won't enjoy that much, because en route you will get a hell of a traffic and everybody, you can see so many people littering around. At least people should understand, even educated people do that, littering everywhere. Please avoid these things, guys. Hello, potholes. I didn't check the weather forecast actually yesterday or day before yesterday, so it was showing light rain or cloudy weather, but still yesterday it rained heavily, and I'm just hoping today also it should rain. Yeah man, the weather forecast predicted that this year there will be heavy rain. But if you'll check the whole July and even June, so it did not rain that much, how much it should. So compared to previous year, it is very less. Yeah, so I was talking about a hidden place. Wow, a good looking pothole out there. I don't know why these people used to charge toll. Now it is temporarily they are not charging, but who knows what happens in future. I have to pick Shailendra and then we'll have breakfast. Oh man, why I'm already late. So this bike is very sleek, and escaping from narrow spaces and overtaking it gives you so much confidence. Only do until you're sure. Make sure you're not troubling anyone. Hello there. I should have avoided the office time, man. Wow. Riding on footpath.
After picking up my friend, we set out towards a hidden gem, Morbe Dam. Surrounded by hills and absolute peace, it's one of those places that feels untouched by chaos, a perfect start to the day. From Morbe, we just rode 5 to 6 kilometers and reached Bhilvale Lake, a quiet spot near the village of Bhilvale in Khalapur Tehsil, Raigad district. The lake sits calmly, hidden between green ridges and misty skies. It's one of those places where time slows down and nature speaks louder than any words. If you are near Morbe, don't skip this detour. It's totally worth it. The lake looked unbelievably calm, no wind, no rain, just silence. It felt like nature had paused for a moment. But that's the beauty of Maharashtra's monsoon. It's unpredictable. One second the skies open up, and the next you are soaking in the serenity. Just like that, the rain arrived. The sound of droplets hitting the water, the sudden breeze, and that earthy smell, it was a pure magic. Unplanned moments like these are why monsoon rides feel so special. With the rain behind us and the memories made, we cruise back home. Rides like these don't end when the engine stops, they stay with you long after the journey is over.